Hi everyone, this is Matt from Cofounder Code, where our mission is to help developers build things on their own terms, quit crappy day jobs, and turn your annual salary into a monthly profit draw. I have been a web and software developer for 20 years. I've worked at Disney, I've worked at Guitar Center, I've worked at Maker Studios, I worked for Bourbon Braun, Whale Rock Industries. I've worked for startups, I've led tech teams, I was a VP of engineering. I have done front-end development, I have done back-end development, I have done full stack. Happy with infrastructure, comfortable with AWS. I have a successful SaaS startup going with 2 other co-founders. A lot of experience, many years of doing this, and it's been a very great run, and I'm having a great time. For a lot of those 20 years, I wanted to do things on my own. I wanted to live life on my own terms. I wanted to build things on my own terms. And so I knew early in my career that I wanted to be an entrepreneur. And I just started building things, and I've had many flops. And let me tell you, something that's really painful is spending time building a software app and having no one visit it, thinking that, oh, if I build it, they will come. So now that I've had some successes, I'm living life on my own terms and building things on my own terms. It's just a fantastic feeling, and I feel qualified to share that knowledge with you, and I want to add a lot of value there. I want to help you free yourself from that grindy day job, working for that asshole boss. I want you to get away from that person. Build something yourself, or build something with a couple co-founders, most likely, unless you have a wide range of talent. And then enjoy working on your own terms and creating your own hours. And yeah, if you have the right business model, you have a subscription model, you can change your annual developer salary into a monthly profit draw. It's totally possible. So yes, that's about it. Like the video if you want to hear more information about this. We're going to talk about a lot of things, by the way. We're going to talk about the types of products you should build. We're going to talk about if you should market versus should you probably have a marketing co-founder, and what type of person to look for and how to qualify that person. Because as I'm sure you know, so many people are going to come up to you as a developer and say, hey, I have an idea for an app. And that's worth very little. The idea is worth practically nothing. It's all execution. So if someone has an idea, you want to look much further and say, yeah, okay, that's great, but what are you bringing to the table before I partner with you? Not the idea, but what else, you know? And then we will talk about how to qualify that person as a marketer. We're going to get into the code. We're going to roll up our sleeves and look at code. We're going to talk about frameworks. We're going to talk about one of my favorites for an entrepreneur, which is Python, Django. Fantastic frameworks if you're gonna handle the tech end yourself. You know, if you're building a SaaS product, if you're building an app that's gonna drive web, mobile, it's just a fantastic framework. You can do so much on your own. You can be the tech team for a long time yourself, well up into monthly recurring revenue of 5 to 6 figures. So yeah, it's going to be exciting. I'm looking forward to being of service and adding value, and that's it. So like, subscribe, hit the notifications, and I'm going to deliver a video every Monday around 5 p.m. Pacific time. So I look forward to the next one, and I hope you have an amazing day.